Thousands of kilometers. Thousands of stories. Thousands of reasons. 1,000 Urbos trams that have transformed lives in 38 cities across 19 countries. 1,000 vehicles that travel over 190,000 kilometers every day, combining innovation, sustainability, and comfort. Designed to adapt to each place, each passenger, and each operator. At CAF, every tram is more than just a vehicle. It's a commitment to people, to the future, to mobility, and to the environment. Today we celebrate a number that means far more than just a figure. 1,000 Urbos. 1,000 stories to tell.